Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, I just want to welcome you. Today we are going to be getting holiday ready. So in my previous video I did a full holiday glam. Today I just wanted to do something a little bit soft, obviously focusing on the skin but a bit light on the eyes, and I really like the way it came out. So yeah, this is it. If you are not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button down below, and of course do give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get right into it. As you can see, I'm looking real tired guys. My deep set eyes and my dark circles are really screaming I need some more sleep. But anyways, we're gonna get right into the face first. As you know, I usually like to start off with my base and go in with a primer to begin with. Today's look is not gonna be too heavy or too dramatic, hence the title, soft. And of course I do actually need to be ready in about 40 minutes, literally to leave the house in 40 minutes. So this gonna be a quick video. Okay, new color Zonia has already been applied around my mouth. I'm now gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty primer today. I haven't used this in a while, the hydrating one in the shade 420. So I'm gonna start off with a pump and a half, see how I feel about that one. And then obviously if I want to add a little bit more, I can go right ahead and do that. I like to start off with my base first because it just gives me a better direction with my eye makeup, and also I just prefer for my foundation to kind of settle in a little bit before I do my concealer and all of that good stuff. This foundation is a little bit more on the yellow golden side, so probably does look a little bit different to my other foundations, but once it dries down, or once it sets shall I say, then it looks fine. For our eyes we're keeping it real simple, but I just want to blank out any pigmentation on my eyes by just putting a dash of concealer on. And I just use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut to do that. Today I'm going to go in with my Revolution Reloaded Velvet palette. This is what it looks like. If you're wondering, this is basically a dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I believe. And I'm literally just going to apply a wash of this colour here. I'm probably going to mix it with this one here. I think I put too much on that eye, that's how I wanted it. And then I'm going to go in with this shade here on my lid and bring it up to my crease area. More so of like a shadow topper, I want to say, but it does have like glitter particles like that. So this is why I wanted to use this colour. This palette I think was only like £4 as well, so it's super affordable if you really don't want to be spending that much money on eyeshadow. Revolution has always been affordable anyway, so you can definitely pick this up. They probably still have a sale on their website as well, so don't even know how much it will be on sale, but obviously you can go and check that out. That's my eyes, that is my eyes. Okay, concealer, obviously ideally I did plan to use two specific concealers, but my eyes are actually I look a bit tired, so I'm going to do a little bit extra. I'm going to go with the Deep Chestnut shade by Elf. This is the Camo Hydrating Concealer, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this just right there. It is a hydrating concealer, so it's going to give me what I want, but I just kind of want to cover a bit of this deep set slash dark circles here. That's that little prep right there. Again, I'm going to go in with my Nars Soft Matte Concealer. I've really been loving using this concealer the past couple of days. It's really growing up on me, and I just love how smooth it makes my under eyes look. So yes, I'm going to go with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I've actually realised that I've not been applying as much concealer as I used to, even with foundation, to be honest. I don't know what it is, not deliberately, but you know. And then I'm gonna go in on top of that with Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Caramel. Really just focusing that here. I'm gonna do very minimal bronzing slash contouring. And I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso. This part can be skipped if you want to go right ahead and just use your bronzer on top. Going in with my Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. I'm going to set that area. Tapping off the excess on the back of my hand as I usually do. I do want an extra touch of smoothness, so I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes. Haven't actually used this under my eyes for a while, to be honest. I don't know which bronzer to use. Oh my gosh, this is the dilemma when you have so many bronzers. Which one do you go in with? Okay, this one's a bit more of a red warm undertone, so I'm not going to use that. Oh, which one do I use? Charlotte Tilbury Revolution. Charlotte Tilbury Revolution. Charlotte Tilbury Revolution. Okay, I used Charlotte Tilbury in my previous video, so I'm going to go in with Revolution today. Can't go wrong with this Revolution bronzer. This is the coffee bronzer in the shade Macchiato, and a little bit of this does go a long way, so you don't even need too much of that. Not wearing any eyelashes today, so I'm just going to go straight into my mascara with this Fenty Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. As mentioned, it is double-sided, so you have one side which is volume and then the other side which is curl and length. So I've already done my lower lash line and all of that good stuff, did my eyebrows too. For my lips, I want to do something a little bit different, so I'm going to first line my lips with this brown liner, and I want to go in with a red lip today. I'm going to use my Cherry Blossom Coloured Rain liquid lipstick. It's not opaque as it usually is, and on top of that I want to go in with a lip gloss, and I'm just using any clear lip gloss, whatever you have. This is the one from Revolution. A little bit of this does go a long way. I would have liked it to be a little bit more on the true red side, but yeah, that's why I didn't put too much. As you can see, it's not hella opaque, but because of the lip gloss, it does give it a little bit more pizzazz. Can't forget a good old blush, can we? I'm going to go in with my Becca Maui Nights bronzer because I am wearing a red lip. I just think it will complement the look a little bit better. And I'm going to go in with a bit of highlighter as well. This is just a really soft highlighter, one that I pretty much use quite often, and just want to give myself a little bit of a glow, you know. To reduce some of this powdery appearance, I'm going to go in with my Cooling Water Mist, and then to set everything in place, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And here we go, this is our finished look. So yeah, this is my version of a soft holiday glam. Touch of glow on the skin. In fact, we're really glowing today, but that's what we want to go for. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. And of course, I hope that I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.